Okay, back at it again, and I'm here to tell you that when it comes to the M's and the W's, that's how we trade. Okay, we come from the M's and we go to the W's, or we go from the W's and go straight to the M's. That's the market cycle. Everything in between is just noise. Everything in between is just collecting the profit, collecting the money. If you get a loss, it's okay. The market is just reconstructing. Back again. Watch the M's and watch your W's. Okay, that is where the market will bounce off. As you can see right here, from this point to this point, definitely expecting something. Okay, expecting the price to do me a solid. Okay, as you can see right here, break of the neckline, and it's coming straight. So at this point, as you can see, from here to that point, come back here and move up a bit. Okay, that is how it's going to move, just like that, just like that. Okay, great.